How to change bio in Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to change bio in Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's first head over to our Threads account right here. And then as you can see, I am on my home page. What I need to do is just click on this profile page right here in order to head over to my profile page. So as you can see, this is my profile page. What we need to do in order to change our bio is to click on this edit profile right here. So let's click on that. And you can see here my bio. So you can see the right bio. So just click on that. And you should be able to write your bio on your Threads. So you can type in, "Hi, I am Tiara, your friendly neighbor." Or you can also add in anything you want. You can type in a link or a subscription or anything, or any enticing or anything that you want to add. You can also import bio for Instagram right here. So just, if you click on that, it will import your Instagram details and it will replace any edits you've made. So if you click on OK right there, it will import your Instagram bio. So for me, I will not import my Instagram bio, so I will just click on this check right here, then click on done, and then as you can see, it will load, and then as you can see, here is our bio right now. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change bio in Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.